So good evening once again, guys. So today's subject is about survey methods. So we'll try to discuss at the early stage. जब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं, जब हम initial phases में बहुत सारे सर्विस करने चाहते हैं और every survey is not required कि हम वहाँ पे spend करें, पैसा लगाए. Initially कुछ छोटे छोटे steps लेके भी हम काफी सारी चीजों को stabilize या validate कर सकते हैं. So before any survey, because we need to know that for what purpose we are doing this. So चार important stages हैं किसी भी survey के लिए. The first important thing is we have to draft what is the objective, for what purpose we are doing this whole survey. अगर उसका outcome क्या चाहिए है ना, if we are not clear that for what purpose we are doing it, हमको results भी नहीं मिलेंगे, neither will be able to make a right draft also for the survey. Second method, how to choose a right method to choose कि वो किस तरीके का method हो which is easy for us to capture the required information what we are looking for. Third, analysis, because basis on your all information what you are gathered, you will be able to really analyze something क्योंकि उसका outcome तब होगा जब you will be capturing the information in the right form. And the last one, the most important thing is if you are doing all things and if you are not taking decisions on your all analysis about your surveys, you are all wasting your own efforts and time. So you should know that why I am really doing this survey, what is the method, how you will receive your information, and what all decisions you may take on that information which you are capturing. Let's take one by one. Why we do, what is the objective normally? The major objective is to validate something about our concern. If we have something in our mind, if we want to validate it, if we want to clarify that doubt, obviously we need a validation from different people. So we should know that who are the right people who can really give the right updates or right information or right vote on that. So validation is something which is always an objective behind any survey. Second, we want to prove our point somewhere कि नहीं जो मैं सोचता हूँ वो सही है. So we want that statistics to prove कि जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ बाकी लोग भी सोच रहे हैं, तो prove the majority, prove the voting. So majorly ये दो reasons होते हैं या बहुत सारे और भी reasons हो सकते हैं. And justification, sometimes हम कुछ चीजें कर लेते हैं और हमारा सर्वे फिर कहीं ना कहीं प्रूव करता है कि वो justify है या नहीं है. Because every time what we perceive, what we are really doing it from our perspective जो सही है या गलत है, हमें कहीं ना कहीं दूसरे लोगों की वैलिडेशन या फिर वो प्रूफ ऑफ वोटिंग की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो कुछ चीजों को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए भी we always do justification do survey. So these are the basic objective. We have to choose that what purpose we are really working on और उसके बेसिस पे आप अपना मीडियम चूज कर सकते हैं. Once you define that कि क्या मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है, then you have to really select the right medium कि हाँ ये तरीके से मैं करूँगा. Now in case if you want to validate something, there is multiple methods and options here, but one option is direct option जहाँ पे आप सीधी अपनी बात कहते हो कि I want to know about this, please tell me. Second, there is passive method also कि हम अपनी बात कुछ और तरीके से पूछते हैं. We are not expecting or not asking the information directly, but passively we are taking our information. For an example, like a lot of companies are giving you some kind of a tools to fill your information in their forms, and that data has been captured, and based on your information they are doing their own different analysis कि age group क्या है ना, कि gender based क्या है, how many kind of internet people internet and users we have. So no one is coming to you to directly ask either you are using network or either you are using which network or which brand, but they are capturing the information from you passively and they are making their analysis, their survey. Now in both the situation, there are few methods and there are few tools which we can use. One most good thing is if you are at an early stage of your startup, जब आप बहुत नए, the first and most good and best way is start taking some interviews. Better speak with people, speak with the right people, those who can give you a right validation, and basis on that validation, basis on that interviews, you can capture your information. I did the same thing when I was planning to get to start my entrepreneurship. I was not sure about it कि मैं अपना job छोड़ दूँ और ये करूँ कैसे करूँ, because there was no validation from the family also, and it was not an easy call to take. I've spoken with a few of my mentors. I've spoken with few of my seniors. I've spoken with my friends, few members and family also, those who are placed somewhere good in a gooder place. So that has given me some statistics and to understand कि out of 10 people, if 6 people are saying, say 7 people are saying कि हाँ कर लेना चाहिए. So that gives you some comfort. Second, few method more are available here, like conducting a poll, doing a quiz, and conducting some kind of a questionnaire basis program also. So initially we are in a good place, we are in a good time जहाँ पे social media tools are very much easily available for us. 20 years back, still it was not that easily available. We had to go to customer and physically one-to-one we had to do a survey. But now you have a social media, you have lot of such methods where you can easily reach to your users organically also and through some spending pay also. So what all those small tool could be? One, I think the easiest and simple way is if you want to conduct a simple survey, you can use a Google form as a solution. Create your own Google form and put your all information whatever you looking for. पोल भी बना सकते हो, क्विज भी बना सकते हो, क्वेश्चनर्स भी बना सकते हो. सो आसानी से बन सकता है. Just need to create a one single Google form and you can just post across your social platform and get your answers from there. Even if you are posting in one single platform and 20, 30, 40 people are also responding, you get some good validation out of it. Second, even in the Google form quiz option is also there. I think for the poll, LinkedIn is something which I really found good. So you can create your own polls in LinkedIn platform if you have your own account. वहाँ पे आप अपना poll create कर सकते हो और वहाँ पे post भी कर सकते हो, and you can take that link and use that across other platform also. Interviews, use a free tools and take the best advantage. So all this information and tools are easily and free available. It is not about that what kind of a money you want to spend. It is not about that what kind of a size of volume and database and sample size you require. It is about a validation कि आप अपनी बात को prove करना चाहते हो. You need to know your objective. Choose any of the good medium which is free for you. Use the medium of social handles and take your numbers in your hand. Now, social handles, create your company page. You can create some groups. You can create some landing page, and you can put all your this links over there to capture your information. Organically भी आप कर सकते हो. Where you can simply keep posting on every alternate days and people will respond on it. You can post that your all information or link on other groups also. You can then connect, put your thing in someone else comment also. So there are methods available, and a sample size you should have in your mind that कि 100 लोगों का information मिल गया मेरे पास में, I should be happy about that. Easy way, simple way, and believe me, more than anything else, if you are putting your own efforts at early stages and taking your genuine feedbacks, if you know that from whom you want to really capture information, this information is more validated, more informative, more better compared to any Google search. क्योंकि Google search में आपको एक बहुत generic overview मिलेगा. This will be a more precise to take a decisions. Yeah. So this is the first validation. Second, why we do? Because we want to prove it. And for proving anything, obviously sample size is one of the important factor. If you do your survey with only 5-10 numbers, no one is going to buy that. So make and take at least reasonable good sample size, and what kind of inputs you are really capturing. That is very important. So for validation, you should know that for what objective you are doing it, or क्या information आप capture कर रहे हो, your headers, your questionnaire, your poll. That makes a lot of difference. So choose the right content, right inputs, which will help you, and get at least reasonable good sample size and keep it with you. Of course, once you have a proof, you will be having some report to share, share as a proof that yeah, ये मैंने यहाँ से किया है, इस source से किया है, और ये मुझे उसके benefit मिल रहा है. Yeah, the last is your justification. Sometimes we want to justify something कि हमने कुछ काम कर दिया है. We have taken some actions, but we want to prove either we are really on a right track, or some way we want to prove our point in some way. So for that, I think easy and simple options are available nowadays. You can simply create your own properties, like you can create your blogs, you can create your posts, images, videos, you can put some text and quotes, information in your blogs. And simple and easy way to prove your point is if you have a good likes, followers and subscriber. I think a lot of celebrities and everyone today, if they want to prove their point, if they want to really want to check that what is really working for it. एक सिंपल सा पोस्ट डालते हैं, ट्वीट डालते हैं, and that proves globally कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. If you people are following it, everyone follow it, है ना. सिंपल सा तरीका है. So आप भी वो यूज कर सकते हो. Size is only the difference. छोटा साइज या बड़ा साइज आप सिर्फ ना उसके बेसिस पे उसको जज कर सकते हो. But medium method will always going to be same and results basis on 1,000 or 100. Size of the business, nature of the business will define. But आपके लिए शुरुआत में ये आसान और सिंपल तरीका है. That is your method. Now, when we say कि हाँ हमें objective पता है, we want to really do our surveys also, but normally we have observed कि यहीं पे बात खत्म हो जाती है ना. हम analyze नहीं करते हैं और उसका कोई आगे information pass भी नहीं होता है. If you have a report, if you have done your survey, more than what kind of a size of information you have, what kind of inputs you gathered, it is more important that how minute and how in a micro level you analyze that information. If you have a data of 100 customers, it is not important that how many customers are giving what. But if you understand that information in a more micro level, you will be able to find the right gaps. You will be able to get the right validations. So more important is analyzing the information and understanding the right information out of that. You have to learn to read the line between that all words. अगर वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे तो 1,000 का भी डेटा आएगा तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज यू विल गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ सोर्सेस. बट अगर आप उसको एनालाइज करके सही नॉलेज उसमें से निकाल नहीं पाएंगे, सही इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, so that is not going to make any sense for it. And obviously once you are getting some information and input from them, the next important stage is to take a right action points on it. If you are doing everything, if you know every facts about that, what all you have been able to fetch out from that, उसके बाद अगर action points नहीं ले रहे हैं, so you are only wasting all your efforts and your time. So that is why we say that identify more than your all methods and size of the total database, more important that within the limited. ये ऐसा है ना कि जैसे आप छोटी साइज में से ही इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल रहे हैं कि हाँ मुझे क्या चाहिए और क्या सही है क्या गलत है. अगर if you are smart enough, you will figure it out right thing, and if it works for you, if it is giving you results, no matters what is the big size you are working on. Yeah, if you are, and survey is something which is a continuous process. It doesn't mean that कि एक बार कर लेंगे तो काम खत्म हो जाएगा. It's a continuous process. You have to keep doing it, and whatever informations you are gathering, take the right actions, do the corrections, and move on. If nothing is working great, so we know that हम decisions लेते हैं because we have identified something. Basis on that action plan we have decided. Why we do that? We have to be in we should know that we are all doing this for preparing and taking the actions for the final results. We are implementing to do a good planning. We want that information to do a modification. We want to do a corrections. We want to do a change, and we want to upgrade something. That is our final goal. And that is the final results. If we get the information source, any survey, whenever we are doing any kind of a survey, we should frame it with the timeline also, that if we do the survey within this time frame, after that, if I'm taking an action, I should observe that for some period. And if it is working me, I should take my all actions and all my that final results. If it is working for me, I'm done because I've done my survey well and I have got my answer. But in case if it is not giving me results, I think that is the next stage. We have to do we have to restart from the scratch by understanding from the gaps that either I have chosen a wrong people to survey, either I have done wrong survey with the wrong people, the wrong geography, something went wrong. To do the right thing and come back to it. That's how the startup survey function.